Dear student, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Dear student, today I am going to take a class for class 4 and today's topic is As You Wish with Color. So dear student, open your art copy and ready with your pencil, color pencil and your drawing important materials. So dear student, draw with me and follow my drawing how I will draw the picture. Okay dear student, today I will draw a picture with heron. Okay, first I will draw the far village. Okay, like this. Okay, then I will draw the heron. Give the beak and eye and another heron. Okay. Give the, if you want you can use here a fish and give here some grass and cast grass by the zigzag line. And here use two coconut tree. Give the leaves like this. If you want you can give here cloud. This is the cloud on the sky and give a small village. By drawing the house. And draw the haystacks. Give here a tree and erase those lines. Give here a banana tree. Give some grass and the water. Look dear student, this is very easy topic and very easy to draw. If you practice at your home and follow my drawing method, you can draw this very easily. Okay. So dear student, look at the board. I have finished the drawing. Now I will tell you how I have colored the picture. I have already colored a picture for you. So dear student, look at the board. I will brief how I have colored this picture. First, always you also color the big space. Okay, so I did this also. I have colored this space, that means water space, by light blue color. Then I have give here this line by deep blue color. Then I have colored this sky by light blue and deep blue. I use here deep blue, and I have left this place white for the cloud, and in this far village I have used Prussian blue and green. In the house I have used here first light yellow, and here I have used some brown color, and in the haystacks I have used here deep yellow and brown color, and in this tree I have used here deep brown color and use a light yellow, light green, and finally deep green. Here in this tree I have also used on the body, I have used here a deep brown color, and on the leaf I have used here some light green first, and here I have used some light green first, then I have used here deep green and deep blue also, and on the cast grass I have used here brown color and purple color. Look at the cast grass, I don't use full color and I don't fill the color. Okay, I left some color here, I left some white space for cast grass, and herons also I have colored here some ash color and deep blue color, and here on the in this place I have used here some orange, purple and blue color, and on the beak I have used here orange color, and you know that eyes is always black, so I have used here black color. So dear student, I hope you all have understood my today's class. So dear student, remember this is also your SW and SW number 7. Dear student, mention your SW number and submit your SW at your school at every Sunday 8 am to 4 pm. And don't forget to practice at your home more and more time. And remember this, you never use any kinds of margin on your page. Okay, I have drawn the margin for, imagine that a page. Okay, this is suppose your copy, not you will not margin, and never use any kinds of marker and black pen and black color for border. Okay dear students, submit your SW at your school every Sunday. Remember this, your SBA, CT and diary marks also depends on this SW. So don't forget to submit your SW. Thank you for today, that's all.